Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our English language online class, and today we are going to start with our new chapter in English language, that is chapter number 6, countable and uncountable nouns. Now children, I know that you all must be thinking that why I have not kept any book or any notebook in front of me today. So I will tell you that today we are going to अंडरस्टैंड दिस टॉपिक विदाउट एनी बुक. ओके, आज हम लोग बिना बुक के इस चैप्टर को, इस टॉपिक को समझेंगे. सो यू विल ऑल एंजॉय दिस वीडियो if you will watch it very carefully children. So please make sure while I am explaining you this topic you should concentrate on this video. So let's get started children. As you all know that what is the meaning of countable? Countable means the things which you can count. जिन चीज़ों को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, उन्हें गिन सकते हैं, दैट इज़ नोन एज काउंटेबल. और कोई भी नाउन्स लाइक आपकी बुक्स, नोटबुक्स, ओके, पेंसिल्स, इरेजर्स, जो भी चीज़ें हैं आपकी, उनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज काउंटेबल नाउन्स. एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स आर दोज विच कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड. इज़ दैट क्लियर? जिनको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. सो टुडे आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग यू दिस टॉपिक विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम हाउस होल्ड थिंग्स ओनली विच आर इन आवर हाउस. ओके, आज हम इस टॉपिक को समझेंगे कुछ हाउस होल्ड चीज़ों के साथ जो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी पहले से होती हैं सबके घरों में. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दिस टॉपिक. सो एज यू कैन सी चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट काउंटेबल nouns which can be counted. Is that clear? So I am keeping some of the blocks in front of you as you can see. And do you remember जब आप छोटे थे तो आप इन ब्लॉक्स से खेलते थे? सो ये वही वाले ब्लॉक्स हैं. तो इन ब्लॉक्स को एज यू कैन सी आप लोग काउंट कर सकते हो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So there are 9 blocks as you can see. I am putting them aside, all the blocks, okay, like this. So in total there are 9 blocks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. That means we have counted all these 9 blocks. So this means that these blocks are countable nouns. Is that clear? Now coming to the next thing, that is, as I'm in front of you, I'm keeping some pencils. So these pencils, you can count these pencils. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So there are 5 pencils with me today. So I will keep them in front of countable nouns. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood. Now the next thing which I will be keeping in front of you is all your favorite chocolates. Yes, like this. So these are your favorite chocolates. So you all love to eat. So there are 3 chocolates with me which you can count. ये भी हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, तो इनको भी हम countable nouns के नीचे रख देंगे. Is that clear? Now in all, how many things I have explained? 1 2 and 3. Okay, three things I have explained you. Now next thing which I am going to explain you is your favorite chips. So there is 1 packet of chips, then second packet is here, and the third packet. So that means there are 3 packets of chips with me, and these all 3 packets are countable. We can count these chips packet. Okay, how many chips packet are there with me? 3. So that means we can count them. How many pencils were with me? There were 5 pencils. That means pencils are also countable nouns. How many blocks were there with me? There were 9 blocks. That means blocks are countable. And how many chocolates are there with me? 3 chocolates. That means we can count these chocolates. Now the last thing which I am going to explain you for countable noun is your notebooks. So I am keeping only 2 notebooks in front of you because I have a very less space here now. So you can see 2 notebooks can be counted. Pages can also be counted. As you can see, in some notebooks there are columns given to write the pages, so we can count the pages also, and notebooks can also be counted, your books can also be counted. So all these things, as you can see now, are under countable nouns. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood the topic of countable nouns. Once again, I am telling you, I am repeating it, so listen to it carefully. When I pick up this one block, that means it is a singular block. ये एक अकेला block है, that means एक single block है, one block है, तो हम इसको block बोलेंगे, a block. और जब हम इसको इसके और भी blocks के साथ रख देंगे, तो that means there are more than one blocks and they are many blocks. Okay, so there are 9 blocks in all, so we will say blocks. So spelling will be BLOCKS, blocks. Is that clear? Same with pencils also. One pencil will be written as pencil, and when there are 5 pencils, so we will add S with the spelling of pencil. Okay, then same with the chocolates, same with the chips packet, and same with your notebooks. Is that clear? So I hope countable nouns you all have understood. Now we will move towards uncountable nouns. So what are uncountable nouns, children? Uncountable nouns are those which cannot be counted. Is that clear? So children, as you all know, that uncountable means that we cannot count these things. So what all things we cannot count? We cannot count liquid things like milk, like water, okay, like any liquid thing which is there, we cannot count. If you drink soft drinks, so you cannot count how much of soft drink is there, okay, so you cannot count it. So there are some also solid things which we cannot count, like rice, okay, as you can see I have kept rice here, sugar here, mustard seeds and pulses, okay. So as I'm trying to count, okay, like 1 2 3 4 5. Oh no, it's not easy to count all these things. Countable things were easy to count, but these things are not easy to count. I've got bored out बार बार काउंट करने से मैम को तो बोरियत हो गई, तो इसलिए इट मीन्स दैट दीज थिंग्स कैन नॉट बी counted. Okay, so what we are going to do? We are going to keep this arhar dal under uncountable nouns column. Is that clear? Because this cannot be counted. Now the next thing which I will keep in front of you is rice. So can you count rice? Let's see, can we count it or not? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh, again it's so tough to count all this. So again it is not easy to count rice, so we will put it under uncountable noun column, okay, because these two things are not countable. हम इनको count ही नहीं कर पाए. Now comes the next third thing, which is sugar, जिसको हम चीनी भी बोलते हैं. So can you count this sugar? Is it easy to count sugar? No, it is not easy. So again this is also uncountable noun. Then comes your mustard seeds, जिसको हम हिंदी में राई बोलते हैं. So these mustard seeds can also not be counted. We cannot count these mustard seeds. So again this will come under uncountable noun. And the last thing which I am going to show is your sanitizer. You all are using sanitizers these days to sanitize your hands whenever you go out. So this is also a liquid. So can you count it? Is this countable? No, this is not countable. So this is the fifth thing which I am keeping here as an uncountable noun. Is that clear? So in all, children, you can see that what all things are countable in front of you and what all things are uncountable in front of you. Okay, so you can see here, again I am repeating, countable nouns जो कि हम count कर सकते हैं, उसमें हमने अपनी बुक्स नोटबुक्स भी रखी, चिप्स के पैकेट भी रखे हैं और ब्लॉक्स भी रखे हैं, पेंसिल्स और चॉकलेट्स भी रखी है, बिकॉज इनको हम काउंट कर सकते थे. और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स में सैनिटाइजर रखा, मस्टर्ड सीड्स रखे, अरहर दाल रखी, या कोई भी और भी अलग दाल होगी तो वो भी हम रखेंगे इसी में। और चावल हो गया, राइस which is also uncountable, and sugar, this is also uncountable. So by this I hope you all have understood countable and uncountable nouns. So children, I want you all to watch this video very carefully and think about yourself that what all things can be counted and what all things cannot be counted. So that is all for this introduction activity today, children. So this was a small activity for you all so that it can be as a form of activity. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood it. Now switch on to my part 2 video in which we are going to do one book exercise.